Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how much I made exactly with YouTube, how much YouTube paid me last year to make videos. Now, this is not a huge channel by any means. This is my French channel about fitness, alright? So, of course, I'm not going to show you the name of the channel, but I'm going to show you every stats of that channel. And this channel has about 62,000 subscribers as of now. And there's like 5.5 million views on that channel since the beginning of it. So decent, not insane. You can achieve that, no problem, but it will require some time, right? There's like 400 YouTube videos on that stuff. As you can see, guys, I made $200 with 200,000 views. So that's about $1 per 1,000 views, which in the fitness niche is completely normal, right? Nothing insane. I usually put one ad before my YouTube videos and one ad during my YouTube videos. As you can see, my average watch time is 3.5 minutes. Not great, but decent enough, right? And that's about all the stats that I have. I have around 3,000 likes, 300 dislikes, 165 comments, 1,000 shares, 2,300 videos in the playlist, and 2,000 new subscribers, as you can see right there. So nothing insane, completely normal. And right now I'm gonna show you how much I made in a year with this YouTube channel, which is doing good results. All right, let's check this. Last 365 days. Charge it, load it, make it rock and roll, so you guys know I'm not trafficking anything. Alright, so last 365 days, we had 11 million views, which is about 21 years and 18 days, which is kind of like wow in a year. In a year, my little Kevin just lived 20 times more what I did, which is kind of cool, but kind of creepy as well at the same time. So we had 3,193,000 views for a total of $2,700, which is kind of correct. That's around what I got in my pocket. Average watch time was 3 minutes and 28 thingy. So 43,000 likes, 4,000 dislikes, 2,000 comments, 18,000 shares, 33,000 videos in playlist, and 34,000 new subscribers. So it's kind of good. Honestly, it's kind of good. Now, obviously, guys, this is not how you make a living online, right? It's not going to be with your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel about something related to money, you can triple or like time 5 the amount right there. So if we time it 5, it's going to be about $10,000. Even with $10,000, you cannot make your living on this. So, man, don't count on YouTube ad to make your living. It never worked. It's never gonna work unless you have a huge channel. But, man, like I have 62,000 subscribers with it, and I can live with it. I can live from the income that it generates. So you don't need a huge audience. Like the YouTube pay is actually $200 per month. Man, it's like, it's how much is it? 5% of what I make in the month. So it's really nothing. Your YouTube revenue is nothing. So don't count on it. Really don't count on it. So how can you do to make your income online? Well, it's a good thing because I make videos about that kind of stuff all the time. And I have a bunch of videos about that. So you can go check them out and see how you can use your YouTube videos in the right way. So you don't count on ad, but you can actually sell stuff not related to your YouTube channel, but like stuff that you either built, wrote, videotaped, or stuff that you took from other people in the same niche, right? It's not that complicated. You still need to build your YouTube channel. It doesn't need to be big. You just need to have a good audience. You just need to have like a faithful audience, right? It's great to have a hot wife, but if she's not faithful, it doesn't matter, right? It's better to have, in my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, right? But in my opinion, it's better to have a less hot wife, but that loves you and is faithful to you. Well, you don't need many people to make your living online. You just need the right people. So a big YouTube channel is not always the best thing. Yes, you can make more money with YouTube ads, but as you saw, you're not gonna make that much. So should you focus on YouTube ads? No, fuck no, you should not. You should focus on building a brand online around you, around your freaking face, and then selling products related to your brand. And be careful about the product that you choose, because no one will forget what you sold, especially the people who bought it. Alright? So it's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so we can keep on talking about all that kind of wonderful stuff. Alright? But man, it's not too late to have a YouTube channel, because it never has been about YouTube pay, right? It has never been about how much money YouTube will pay you. It's not that. YouTube is the best platform ever to start your online venture. Why? Because you can have a lot of reach very fast, and you get to see people, you get to hear people, so it's a way better experience for your prospects, meaning they will be more faithful to you, and they're very likely going to spend more money with you, because they're going to trust you more, because they can see your face, they can see your eyes, and they feel more like they're talking to a human. So man, go for it, alright? And I'll see you in the next video. Tschüss. Peace out.